Hi, good evening. We're having conversation with my dog. English speaking. My dog is English because he's also from Canada, right? Jaco, you're from Canada. Jaco is from Canada, so you must listen to your mommy Angela. Okay, he is a sweet boy, sweet dog. He's a very sweet dog. Oh, see? He wants to cuddle, cuddle. He wants to cuddle, cuddle. You want to cuddle? Okay, we'll cuddle you. Okay, I will cuddle you. I will cuddle you. You want to cuddle? You want to cuddle? Mama want you. Mama want. You want mama to cuddle you? I will. Okay, I will give you cuddle. Oh, cuddle mama. Cuddle. Because smart. Why you looking at me bad? Why you look me bad? Looking. Not good. Ha? Not good. Sabi siguro Jaco, ano nangyayari? What happened to my mama? Because Jaco, we are speaking English. Mama is speaking dollar because we're from Canada, right? Oh, Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. Oh, so, look there. Look at the camera. Jaco, look at there. Look at there. Because I get galit him this afternoon because he pee. He was pee in the stairs, hagdana. Ay naku po, Diyos ko. Bye-bye mga mamis. Bye. That's it for today. God bless us all. Bye-bye.